What if we want users to be able to filter threads based on certain criteria? In this lesson, we will add the ability to filter threads based on channels. Behind the scene, I have created some channels we can work with. Instead of creating a separate query for this, we will update the threads query to accommodate this functionality. So we'll update this to accept an argument, which will be the slug of the channel we want to filter by. Notice we are not making the argument required because we want to be able to still make this query to fetch all threads in case an argument is not provided. So we'll update the resolver as well. First, we will check if a channel is supplied. Channel slug. If one is supplied, then we'll get the channel. Models.channel.find1, where the provided slug is the same in the database. If no match is found, we simply throw an error. Since we will be adding more filters to this query, let's create a where options to hold all our possible filters. Const where options will equals an empty object. Then here we can set the where option, that is where options dot channel id equals channel.id. Let's not forget to make this an async function. Now we can update this to include the where clause. Where, then the where options. So basically, what we are doing here is check if a channel filter is supplied. Then we use it to fetch all the threads that matches the channel. Otherwise, if there are no filters, we simply fetch all the threads. Let's head over to Playground to test this out. First, let's fetch all threads without any filter. Just as before, we get all the threads. Now let's filter by a certain channel. Say Adonis JS. And run the query. Now we only have threads matching our channel filter.